Football Mixer Random Division Break number 1706, February 8th. This break is between Austin, Pat, Nathan, Anthony, Bryant, Jonathan, and Jacob. Thank you all for hopping in. In this break, there's a $76 Hertz, Burrow, Herbert, Rookie Silver, or Trevor Lawrence Genesis bounty. We'll see if we can get it done here. Just put that with live, then we'll get into it. Let me know if any trades went down. You guys can throw that in the comments. All cards will ship. Rookies insert sleeve, some case non-recap at the end. Trades. All card ship. Let's get out the packs. Start with the Mosaic Mega, and we'll go to 2020. The box. Get one silver per Prism Blaster, so one chance each. Good luck, everyone. Trades with Pat. Let me see. AFC North. Wait, Jacob, I don't think he has. I think he wants the AFC North, not the NFC West. So I don't know if that's gonna be trade. Let me see. Let me know, guys. AFC North is with, I don't think Bryant wants to move those. So I think we're going to keep it as is. Pat, Jacob has the NFC West. I don't know if you want to make a trade with him. But that's Seahawks, Rams, Cardinals, Niners. And you have the Packers, Bears, Lions, Vikings. Bryant has the AFC North, but I'm pretty sure he's a Bengals fan. So I don't think he would move him. Let's get into this one. Yeah, I think he was going after the AFC North. You put that in the randoms, too. You might have just accidentally put it on your comment. Good luck, guys. Tanyan, Wilts win, Dak for the boys, LaVisca, and Elijah Moore rookie. Cowboys, Nathan. Crosby silver, Jabril Cox for the boys. Going out to Nathan. Ocho Cinco, reactive and backside, Michael Thomas. A-Rob, Landry silver, Jake Funk reactive for the Rams and Jared Dokes. Rams, Jacob. Bryant with the Browns. Mosaic coming up, Tom Brady for the Patriots, Super Bowl MVPs. Patriots, Johnathan. Brady. Marino Man of the Year for the Dolphins and Elway. Brunell, Jalen Hurts bank, Max Crosby reactive, Nico Collins rookie for the Texans, about halfway through. Not in this one. This is 2021. Cooper got game CEH. Dan Marino. Reactive rookie of Jacob Harris for the Rams and Noah Gray for the Chiefs. Rams, Jacob. 3 packs left. Might be a numbered card. It will be Jonathan Taylor for the Colts, numbered 65 of 89. Reactive bank. Colts going out to Nathan. Number JT. $65 of 89. Keenan Allen. Backside Keenan Allen, AFC, 2 packs left. Calvin Ridley, Jerome Bettis for the Steelers, Caleb Farley in the final pack. Mosaic Mega. Close with a will to win, Julio Jones, Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys, and Kwity Paye debut for the Colts. On to 2020 Prism. Good luck here. Pack 1. Starting out with the Mahomes base for the Chiefs, Kansas City Chiefs. Austin. KJ Wright, first rookie, KJ Hamler for the Broncos, and backside Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. Do have the blue, it's a shorter print coming up. Montez, Tom Brady, first year with the Bucks, blue. Let's see if it's a rookie. It is a rookie. Andy Golden. Blue Prism. Not numbered for Washington. That's Nathan. Somewhat hard hits, these blues. Andy Golden and Jermichael Hasty for the Niners disco. Going out to Jacob. 4 packs left. Still got the silver. Can't get jerseys as one of these. Woodson, Kenny Clark, Henry Ruggs. Not a rookie. Anthony Miller for the Bears. Got points. Going the right way. So this is going to be randomed at the end. 250 points between everyone. We'll go 3 times. Top of the list will get points. And Aaron Jones for the Packers disco. Packers pack. 2 packs left. Willie Gay, rookie. Lions, Aquara. Lions Pat. Aquara disco, and final pack out of last one should be a silver. Sutton, Marshawn. Not a rookie. CJ Uzamoa and Josh Jacobs. Close out that one. Moving on to Blaster 2. Final blaster coming up. Good luck. Starting out with the silver this time. Kenny Stills. Darren Waller. We'll see if it's going this way, actually. It is a rookie. Once again for Washington. Thaddeus Moss. Silver Rook. Going out to Nathan. Thaddeus Moss Silver. And Cooper Kupp Hype. Albert O. Stephon Diggs for the Bills this go. That's Jonathan. Rookie for the Niners, JaMycal Hasty. Once again, is that the second or was it someone else? I think it was JaMycal. Second one for the Niners. Raiders, Brian Edwards and Scary Terry. Nathan. 2 packs left. Might have a jersey coming up here. Jersey, Golden Tate. The Titans, Darrington Evans. Premier jersey. Tennessee Titans, Nathan. Silver jersey. Deion Jones on the backside, final pack of luck. Cheetah, Blackman. Final rookie will be for the Lions, Aquara again. Detroit Lions is Pat. Give me a second to do the recap. Then we'll random off the points. 1 second, guys. Some of the cards not on the recap will get cased up. Skim through it. Darrington Evans. Danny Golden Blue. JT, that one was numbered 65 of 89. Tom Brady, Funk, Jabril, Dak. Also did get 250 points. Set that up right now. Go 3 times top the list, we'll get the points. Three times, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That's going out to Nathan. Congrats to Nathan. Randomized on 3 times. We get the 250. Thank you guys for opting in. Appreciate you guys for joining this one. Try and get the other ones rolling on the board. I'll see you guys on the next. Peace out.